Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, if you agree that there must be justice for Donna Donaldson and that her ex-police boyfriend must pay for his brutal crimes, then drop a like on the video and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Now, Donna Lee's uncle said before the initial court proceedings, he had an interaction with law enforcement, and he said these may be members of law enforcement who are loyal to Mr. Maitland and might be targeting him. I couldn't hear him officer. They will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
And you police officers, yeah, know on yourself, don't. And Walton Park over last night, yeah, on know on yourself, the Rasta man wanna come over pan, in my lane and flash the light, and think, oh, stop me. Or me take over my truck at the patrol and when you turn to me and say, oh, me I drive so. When I know me never drive nowhere. It will not go in vain. It will not go like this. It will not stop till every perpetrator. People, the security guard, he must call back. The truck man must call back. The car wash people them must call back. Kathy and Simit, the evil girl, the baby mother of monster, evil monster Noel. They're such a perfect match for each other, perfect couple. So I think they should go where they both perfectly deserve to go. She should be called back. Doesn't matter what in the questionnaire say, doesn't matter what say, she should be called back. And we need to know what happened to the 4 hours and odd footage you're missing from the tape. And also, we need to ask Noel Maitland, the law we are talking about now. We need to ask Noel Maitland what happened to him video camera where him take down from him door. The impression could show that the video camera recently removed. You need to tell him that too. Just like how now make him tell him where Donaldson there. Like him think him gonna just go to prison. And nobody know where Donaldson it now gonna happen. People now listen to me. If we and Ono want to know how Donaldson body go, hang him. Hang the dirty boy, hang him, we say. The last thing this, when I say new charger come, hang the boy. Support me. Make me get the people them and go down a following office. If you get the people and go down there, make me tell you no. I'll jump and make you and get them. No, know me, you know, people. Support me, people. More and go a following office. Hanging is important in this case. Me glad we are going now, but me please we are going, but me not happy. When me say hanging on the case, they don't know, so me start jump and smile, because I know something happy. Talk. If you want to put him neck in the rope, for them big boy, the and him baby mother, they nearly so beat them. But I'm supposed to know taxpayer money. And they on internet and Facebook and everything. And YouTube and everything. I do everything and I get order who fi kill said way. And who fi charge, who fi kill. And what fi do. And who for body fi dash and who for organ fi deliver and whatever. And sit down in and near me tax money and do all of that. He went dead. Hang by the rope till him tongue long out the neck and he eye twist over. Hang to him neck until him dead. Noel Maitland. I mean, no, you watch this. Think you see nothing yet, you're afraid, but the little charge, new charge we get. That's not even that tip of the iceberg. That is just a straw out of the feather who come to broke uno back. Cause uno the camel, you know. Uno say uno the gorilla. Uno run things. Uno run things. When I have the gun, when I have the power, when I have the resource, when I have the uniform, when I have the ID, when I have the people, when I have the contacts. So I do as I like. But only because the people them make you feel like you have them power there. Because we the people have the power. And if we the people strike out like how you strike against we, you like the outcome. You know that that's true. No. But it's so much good people. That the people them who don't care we enough for all them now and say, Lord, legal system, the justice system, the corrupt justice system, make us see what them are do. Carry a force them on. I will know at the end of the day, they're not going to do what them want to do. They're going to end up have to do. You're not going to do what them can do or what them want to do. They're going to end up do what them never want to do. I'm hurt right now. I am glad. I'm happy right now. I'm happy that justice show up its face. Yeah. I'm sad because I yet not know what the closure can be. For Noel me to even go into prison, that's just a part of the closure. That's not even the closure. And I don't understand because the system, no matter what they do, they're still bullshitting us around. Because I can tell you this, as long as I'm not trying to make Noel Maitland talk where the little girl body is or what him do with it, they are not doing any work. They are not doing anything. They are not doing nothing. Because that simply means if Noel Maitland even go to prison, other young girl body's gonna disappear same way because it's not Noel Maitland alone do this. So I'm to the people that help him. So if them don't press him for talk, walk or go on. Follow the drift people. Nothing we done. Just a come. Think we want to stop. Just are ready to start. What I do? Walk with me now. And see what we can achieve, you know. And see what we can achieve, and see what the nice can do, and see what we can achieve. Don't. We could do it. We could do it now. People, we could do it.
Now, Donna Lee's uncle said he will not be stopped in the pursuit of justice. I mean, I agree. This was a wicked, brutal act. When you hear the confession, or the statements, the testimony of the car wash attendant that said he turned to Mr. Maitland and said, how so much blood a come out of the couch? What? And him say, when I'm friend them, injure themselves. And him say, too much. Him say, it couldn't just be a simple injury. Based on these statements alone, it seems as if Maitland and his accomplices dismembered Donna Lee Donaldson and used that couch to transport the body. Just as the family and the people have theorized. See him where say go? Them even say him go as far as to use one truck for transport it to the place and use a different truck for transport it back. But that was the case because the truck driver refused for me to back with Mr. Maitland. That was the first truck driver. Whether that was the issue, why him never get. Our Maitland could have simply just have been trying to cover his tracks, using one transport to go and a different transport for transport the coach. It is said that the coach has not since been located. And it was based on these pieces of evidence that the DPP decided that she was also going to charge Mr. Maitland with obstructing lawful burial because clearly he knew where the body is. And if the state cannot say that, when they say the state bring a charge like obstructing lawful burial, I remember this was a missing person case that turned into a murder case. Obviously, they must say based on the information that is in their possession, they are confident that they have the culprit in custody. But he refused for cooperate with law enforcement. I know this is also a disgrace. This is an ex-member of law enforcement. Where Will Papillo, as I say, he's no longer a member of the constabulary force. To date, the constabulary force has not said that. There was no public statement saying he was fired. He was put on desk duty when he was then arrested by CTAC. There was never any statement saying he was fired. We're just an ex-member because he's no longer in uniform. And we know, no matter what happens after these court proceedings, you'll never be able to be a member of law enforcement again. Talk to my people. And we have more witness testimonies for hear for. If the car wash attendant gave testimony, then of course we're going to hear from a truck driver. The neighbor already present the video footage. Talk to me in the comment section. Of course, drop a like, drop a comment if you agree that there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of our fresh content. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. And of course, stay tuned.